G'day, I'm Shane Watts. For today's Enduro tip, we're going to look at corner ruts and commitment. With this situation here, we've got a really nice corner rut that goes down underneath this log. You really have to commit to leaning the bike over to utilize the rut to your advantage, especially when this is going to be really wet soil and you've got to use the bank surface so your wheels don't slide out. A lot of riders do not commit. They second guess themselves, and for this situation, you have to come in, you have to lead the bike over, and you have to utilize your rut technique, which is your foot out in front of you, skimming across the ground for support. Keep the front wheel down at the bottom of the rut, especially with this log here. And because the log's there, you have to lean the bike a long way over so you get clearance from the engine cases and the foot pegs so you can flow right on through here. So this one's a little techo, but once you've worked on your skills, all it takes is that commitment to tip it in, skim the foot, keep the front wheel down, power on through. We'll get Belly to have a crack. Faster, faster. Right, Belly, that was really good. You came into the corner there, and you a lot of commitment, tipped the bike way over and cranked on through there. Didn't stand the bike up soon enough on the exit and you shot off the side of the trail. You need to stand up a little sooner, but you're a work in progress there. Really good on skimming the foot across the ground, except for the one time you let go out behind you, and that wasn't so good there. But this situation, as we said before, you utilize it when it's very wet and slippery here and you can't come to the inner part of the trail. You've got to use that bank surface for support so the wheels don't slide out from underneath you. But really impressed with your precise wheel placement and the commitment to tip it on over, especially with that nasty log sitting there. That can be very intimidating.
I think the hard part is when you're trying to stand it up, because of that log being there, you think you're going to whack into the log.
Yeah, you can get high side on it, but then again, it's a very fine line between getting it exactly right and not, but at least you've managed to get through there with decent style, a little bit off trail on the exit, but you can work on that next time.
So Shane, what I've got out of all of this is what you said, mate, commitment. Really at the start I was probably a bit tentative, but once you really do commit, put your leg out, get it and do it correctly, it certainly does help to really believe in yourself to be able to do it. And what else was I going to do with World Enduro Champion egging me on? I had to do it.
Okay, got to go for it, mate, and that's the thing. Too many people second guess themselves and sell themselves short. So with some decent skills and good commitment, you can come on through and you can smash some really good stuff up and have a great time out on the trail. Carry the momentum. That's what this does. Commitment with the skill allows you to carry momentum, and then that just makes the trail so much easier.